Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I will be showing you 6 mobility drills that I use on daily basis. But before we start, I want to differentiate between flexibility and mobility. Flexibility is an ability of muscle to lengthen through a range of motion, whereas mobility, it's an ability of a joint to move actively through a range of motion. So today we are talking about the joints, not the muscles. The first and the favorite of all is called as hip 90-90. The main idea of this hip 90-90 drill is to create space between the hip joint where the femur joins the pelvis. The second amazing drill is called as hip cars. The intention of this drill is to rotate your leg around the hip joint. I learned this amazing hip car drill from one of the physiotherapists. His name is Zach Pelek. I was consulting him when I was having a hip pain couple of years back. Since then, this drill is staple in my routine. If you want to know more about the cars, I will link the Zach channel and all the videos in the description box. Do check it out. The next one is called as cat-cow stretch. Really helpful if you did heavy deadlifts or if you sit on desk all day. The next drill is called as bird dogs. Intention of this drill is to bring more stability during your lifts. Ensure your back is straight and you're not twisting your hips while doing this one. If you are not sure, either film yourself or place something on your back and hips so that you know when it falls, you are twisting your hips. Now for the upper body, drill number 5 is called as shoulder cars. Amazing drill if you are a bench press or overhead press enthusiast. The next drill is for the thoracic spine. It's called as thoracic cars. This drill is recently added in my routine by my physiotherapist Zach because I'm lacking a lot of extension in my upper back. I was having issue while doing overhead presses or any pull-up exercises. Intention of this drill is to rotate my spine along different axes so that it's flexible enough to create extension while doing bench presses or the overhead presses. Let me know in the comments if you will use these drills in your daily routine. If you find this video useful or learn something new, make sure to share with others as well. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Till next video, stay strong, stay safe.